Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on the time you're watching this video. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and those watching us from TikTok, welcome back also. For those who have been following us, this is our episode 15, and those who have just seen us today, you can go on my YouTube, the Short Quran with Jabir, in the playlist of the Road to Quran. We are seeing how one can read Arabic, or how one can read Arabic so that he or she can recite Quran for himself. This is our episode 14. That means we have 14 episodes behind where we started from the beginning, from the foundation of reading Arabic. So this is our new interesting topic. The previous topic we talked about vertical harakats, where we have the maddu al-tabi'i, but in a version of this type, vertical fatha, vertical kasra, and vertical dhamma, and they are elongated for two harakats. So today we are seeing long elongation, the sound, the elongated sound that it's beyond maddu tabi'i, which is 2, which will be over we'll say 4, 5, and 6, and its maximum it's 6 harakats. So these are some of the examples, and remember this maddu, the long maddu, these ones, they don't bring their sounds, but they're supported with other sounds. Mostly they are supported with the maddu tabi'i to give them their complete sound of either 4 or 6 or 5. So that's how we are going to see some of the examples. So this one is, so you have to prolong 60 harakats. I told you the measurements of elongations, it's measured by a bit of a sound, a bit of a complete sound. For instance, you say ba, that's one beat, ba, that's another beat, ba, 3 beats, ba. So the duration of saying ba, that's a beat, that's a haraka. So you say ba, 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 ba. So the time you've spent saying those ba, ba, ba's up to when they are 6, it's the duration you're going to prolong this one. If it's 5, it's ba, 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 ba. If it's 4, it's ba, 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 ba. So the duration of saying ba, 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 of saying those complete sounds, those bits of complete sounds, that's the measurement of long elongation. When you see this type of maddi, and they come in these two versions, either this one or this one. So let's see. This is it has to range from 4 to 6 harakats, depending. When you read more and you go to Quran, you read Tajweed, you will come to see why is it elongated 4, why is it elongated 5, or why is it elongated 6. But here we are reading between 4 and 6. La sound, which is different from the natural elongation of 2 harakas. This is 4 up to 60 harakas. So here we come to ala. So we are joining it into ala with other letters to make a word. Ala, ala. So this a is not elongated because it's just with 1 haraka. So la, which was supposed to be 2 with this harf al-maddi, the alif, but it has this sign, so it will have to exceed the 2. It will be either 4, 5, or 6. Ala sawa. So sawa, there were 2 sawa, but because of the sign of the maddi here, it's sawa with the doma turning the tanwin here. Sawa'un ahlahu ya Adam. So when you look at this word, Ya. So ya, you have to prolong 6, and then you have this one vertical alif, which is vertical fatha, which is on alif, so it will be okay, it is on hamza. Ya Adam, ya. So this one will be 2, this is 6. Ya Adam liyasu. So here there are 6 because of this, and here there are 2 because of this vertical dhamma. Liyasu. So we have Bani Israel. So here mad tabi'i because of ya al-madi. Here it's 2, here it's 6, here it's 6, but I told you it ranges from 5 to 6, and you'll be seeing them when you advance in your knowledge about recitation of Quran. But let's use the 6C about these long elongations. So here will be 2 because of this ya'u al-madi, the elongating ya'u. Here it will be 6, and here it will be 6. So you have to make sure you manage the elongation, the sound. Don't elongate too much that you may even lose your breath. Bani Israel. Don't prolong beyond 6. Atayna. So here it will be 2 because of this. Atayna. Abawahu, so we prolong that too. Abawahu, nisa'an, sa'ihatin, because of it's supported by this maddu of 2, so it has the elongated one, which is 6. Sa'ihatin batainuha. So ha of this alif maddi, which is 2. Batainuha. So I'm going to repeat all the examples. Ya sawa'un ahlahu. Ya Adamu liyasu. Bani Israel. Atayna. Abawahu nisa'an, sa'ihatin batainuha. these are our examples, and our next dars we are going to see what we call blank letters. Blank letters in Arabic, where a letter is read, but a letter is written, but it's not read. So those ones who have not followed us, please follow us, subscribe to our YouTube channel, please share, comment, and when you have a question, please put it in the comment section, inshallah, and we will be answering some of the questions in our next episode, which will be our next episode will be episode 16. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.